Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay, let's see. Madali ang reading lang kasi palobat na Oo, palobat na yung atin ring camera. So, I'm sorry. Okay. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, yes, message lang po sa akin tong FB page. And if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, ito po yung kanyang FB page, ha? Ito, ha? And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, si Kuya Dingsi naman po ang inyo pong lalapitan, ha? So, yan po, ha? So, let's start, Let's start agad-agad. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Ang kailangan mong malaman is don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay? So, naman, habang nagsha-shuffle ako, no? So, okay. Okay, Nine of Swords, Universe. An arrogant person. Ito specific, may lalapit sa inyo air sign, pwedeng Sagittarius and water, fire with water, na sobrang parang, alam nyo yun, parang cool lang siya. Okay? Yung parang hindi siya magpapakita ng something, kasi ang nakukuha ko sa kanya, may pagkamayabang. Or sabihin natin, may pagkasuplado-suplada, parang ganyan, anyway. Ang nakikita ko kasi with love offer nadala itong tao. Para siyang like confident. Para siya, anyway. Kasi itong taong to, may chance na parang sanay siya na parang binibigyan palagi ng attention. Parang hindi siya nakakaramdam pa or nakakaranas ng pang-reject. Magaling kayo dyan, air signs. Ha? Magaling kayo dyan, ha? Sa pang-reject. Diba? Magaling rin kayo sa pang-ignore. Ang mga air signs talaga ang naka-imbento, no? ng pagiging cold. Anyway, so yun na, may nakita akong ganyan. That's specific. So, what else? Air signs. The Nine of Cups. What's with that? This is wish fulfillment. Okay. A love offer. Sabihin natin, in general, this is talking about partnership, collaboration for some of you. An offer na pwedeng ito yung pinaka-isa. Isa sa pinaka gusto mong mangyari at sabihin natin, pinaka gusto mong matanggap. So, may chance. Some of you, this is love. A connection. Let's see. Anong meron dito? Paano mo malaman na ito yung tao? Talaga. Sabihin natin makakaramdam ka ng genuine relationship, love, offer, mga ganyan. Anong meron? Hindi mo to hiningi. Yes. Hindi mo siya hiningi. Hindi mo to minanifest. So, sa mga nagmanifest dyan ng love, lots tayo, hindi ito inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, ang nakikita ko dito, because you're, sabihin nating happy, masaya ka kahit ikaw lang. So, ayan na, ibibigay na sa'yo. I don't know kung excited ka about this, pero yes, may energy ng ganun. Okay? Nawala yung blockage Yeah, see? Parang nilet go mo, nirelease mo yung pag-iisip about love. No? So, parang gumaan. Ganun talaga. Opo, ganun talaga. Iba sa inyo, yes, nagmamanifest kayo ng someone. Avoid manifesting a specific person, lalo na yung may pangalan po, ha? Hindi nyo gawain yan. Ha? Okay? Hindi nyo gawain. Okay? May tamang way ng pagmamanifest. at may maling way rin ng pagmamanifest. Ha? So, hindi ko yun para dito ituro. Oo. So, what else? For you, air signs. The Ace of Wands in reversed. What's with that? The Three of Pentacles. Some of you, ikaw na itong papaboran. In general. Lalo na po ha, pagdating sa workplace, ikaw itong papaboran. May nakukuha ko ditong pwedeng imi-meeting ka, parang ganyan. Kakausapin ka ng HR about promotion or about something na pwedeng hinihingi mo before na pwedeng yes, ma-approve na. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, I'm hearing energy about ang tawag dyan, interview. Okay? Pwedeng matatawagan ka na or tawag dyan, ma-hired. Okay? So, yeah. See? Judgment. Pagtawag. Okay? So, yeah, this is nice. This is good. Wag lang dito. I think, wala lang, pinakita lang itong energy na to na may mayabang, pagkamayabang, I don't know. Kasi sanay sila na sila yung binibigyan ng atensyon ng ibang tao. So parang yes, cool na cool siya, no? Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Kung naman ang gender ng taong to. Anyway, so yeah, hindi ko na babanggitin yung mga zodiac sign. This could be any sign anyway. So okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, 'di ba? Habol na habol ko yung battery ng aking camera kasi baka mamatay. Hindi ko 'to ma-upload. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Fire signs, anong pwede? Anong meron sa'yo? Anong mensaheng kailangan mong malaman? The Eight of Swords in reversed. The Queen of Cups. Setting you free. Parang ngayon ang narinig ko. Being free from stress, heartbreaks, heartaches, okay? Having peace of mind. Yan ang nakikita ko. So, makukuha mo yun. Yeah, the Sun. The Sun. Iba sa inyo, may chance ng ano ha? Ng pregnancy. Yeah. What's with is the Sun? The Six of Swords. Plano. I'm getting this energy about travel around summertime. Okay? Travel around summertime. Yeah. The Six of Wands. Diba dito, may chance na pwedeng sinasabi dito is marirecognize ka in general. I don't know. There's recognition. Energy of recognition, energy ng makikilala ka. I don't know how. Okay, I don't know how. Pero maganda ang nakikita ko rito. Yeah, the Fool in reversed. I think sa gawa mo rin, no, kung anong meron. Some of you, meron kayong mga sisimulang bago na pwedeng mag-boom. Okay? So, what else for you, fire signs? Two of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles. An offer pagdating sa workplace na pwedeng pag-iisipan mo pa maigi. I don't know why. Okay? What's with this? Ano tong offer na to? Or ikaw ito, yeah, in general, meron kang, sabihin natin, meron kang tutulungan or pagbibigyan, kailangan mong pagdalawang isipan muna or pag-isipan. Okay? Ano to? Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. This is talking about commitments. Bago kayo mag-commit, no, sa isang bagay, sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang tao, tingnan nyo muna kung kakayanin. Yes. Okay, tingnan nyo muna kung kakayanin. The King of Pentacles. Iba rito offer to pagdating sa work. Okay? Yung energy na parang pagle-level up. Okay? So, yeah. I think this is an energy of parang biglaan lang. Biglaan. Kasi pwede may mag-resign, like biglaan. I don't know kung anong meron. Like biglaan, and then ikaw yung parang napipisil, no? Na ipalit. Or ipunta doon sa posisyon na inalisan. That's specific. So, pagdadalawang isipan mo to kasi hindi ka ready eh. Okay? In general, there's this commitment na pwedeng mangyari na kabigla-bigla, hindi ka ready dito, so kailangan mo pang pag-isipan muna. Ang daming responsibilidad po eh. Okay? So, there. So, iba sa inyo, this is talking about proposal. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, let's see what's for you, water signs. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs, what's for you? Mensahe, gabay, energy check-ins, prediction, the Empress. Talking about abundance, no? Talking about pregnancy for some of you. Improvement, progress. What's with this Empress? Yeah. This is progress. In general, kung ano man ang meron. Okay? Yeah, lalo na yung may mga gustong simulan. Yes. Some of you, you'll hear from a Taurus, a Libra, a Virgo, or a fire sign. Yeah. Okay. So, kung ano man to, na parang gusto mong subukan, nandyan yung yes, confused ka, nandyan yung kaba mo. Pero, lahat naman ganon sa umpisa. So, kasi naman manghinayang ka, no? In the end, kung hindi mo gagawa or susubukan. So, what else for you, water signs? The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Somebody's stuck. Feeling stuck. Okay, the Magician. Somebody is still manifesting you back. Okay, somebody is still manifesting na pwedeng may mangyari pang pakikipag-ayos. There's this something from universe na parang on process pa, no? Kung ano man yung hinihiling mo, this is specific. Kung ano man yung hinihiling mo, this is not the right timing na ibigay sa'yo. I don't know why. Pwedeng sa frequency, pwedeng hindi pa kayo magka-level ng frequency na hinihingi mo at ng frequency mo. Okay, gets nyo? So, kasi pwedeng nasa higher vibration yung hinihingi mo and ikaw nasa lower vibration. So, hindi kayo magtatagpo talaga. Yung iba naman, may chance na ongoing, on process, no? Parang ginagawa pa yung hinihingi mo, yung minamanifest mo. Okay? Some of you, there's this mga tao na nag-i-evil eye. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. May mga taong nag-i-evil eye sa'yo, ha? Ayaw na parang magkakaroon ka ng progress. So, in general, there's this energy na pwedeng may ibibigay sa universe sa'yo, pero sa tingin ko, hindi pa ito yung right timing for that. Okay? Pero, yeah, ibibigay at ibibigay naman actually. Kung ano man yun, I don't know. This is general. Okay. So, what else for you, water signs? So, madali ang reading lang. Okay. So, what else? Okay, the Knight of Swords. Fast communication from an air sign maybe. Yeah, the Moon in reversed. May mag-express like biglaan kasi hindi na nila kaya yung parang meron ng dinidibdib dito, parang ganyan. So meron ditong somebody na pwedeng mag-spill ng tea, okay? Meron din mag-i-spill ng kanyang secret sa'yo. I don't know kung ano, pwedeng emotion. Meron ditong gusto nang maglabas ng totoong damdamin for you. Gusto ka lang makausap. Okay? They want your attention. Somebody is feeling jealous. Yeah. Yeah, they want you. If ever, kung sino man itong nanonood sa'yo, yeah, nandun yung energy ng stalking. Ayaw nito na nakikita ka niya nakikipag-usap pa sa iba or nakakuha ka ng attention from other people. Ayaw nila yun. Feeling nila nabibetray mo sila kahit wala naman kayo or I don't know. Kung sino man to past person maybe. Feeling nila niloloko mo sila or parang may ganun siyang thinking pagdating sa'yo. Nandun yung jealous. Sabihin natin nandun pa rin kasi yung emosyon ng tao pagdating sa'yo. So pakiramdam niya, ayoko nito. Parang ganon. The Four of Wands universe. So may nangyaring separation sa inyo nitong taong to. Ayaw nito na mapupunta ka sa iba, sa totoo lang. Ayaw nito na magkakaroon ka ng bagong karelasyon. So may chance nitong taong to is parang sisingit, no? Sa'yo. Parang sisingit sa scene. Bigla na lang may mga gagawing action like bigla ang message. Parang ganon. To get your attention. Para mawala yung focus mo sa iba. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, next. Earth signs. Okay. So, hi Earth signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mabilisang read lang. Okay? Hinahabol ko kasi yung battery. Ng ating camera. So, what's for you, Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Oops. Okay. Oh, Wheel of Fortune. Fortune. Okay, what's with that? The Queen of Wands. You're being guided. You've been guided. And yes, you're being guided. Kung ano man yung mga gusto mong gawin, the Queen of Wands. Okay? Parang walang makakapigil sa'yo. Yes, nandyan yung takot. Pero andyan yung energy na ginagabayan ka, no? See? The Five of Swords universe. The Page of Wands. Mga gustong gawin, mga gustong simulan. Some of you, ikaw itong parang sumusubok ng bago pagdating sa sarili or susubok ng bago pagdating sa sarili na pwedeng magdala ng mas magandang fortune sa'yo kasi you're breaking the cycles, no? You're breaking the the energy kung anong meron. Kung stagnant yung energy mo before, so kung may mga babaguhin ka sa sarili mo, hindi na siya magiging stagnant, no? May mga magbabago na kasi. Okay? And that's good. Okay? The Knight of Swords. Ang bibilis ng sabihin nating opportunities, no? Blessings. See? The Ace of Cups. I'm sorry. There's this new connection coming in and I think sabihin nating mag-start kayo as friends. Okay? There's a new, see? This is new. Someone new. What's with this Knight of Swords? The World. Pwedeng meron ditong gap or difference, no? In general, sa inyong dalawa. Maybe time, or age, or location. There's this distance. See? Some of you may dalawang paparating and talagang they will fight for your attention. Wow! They will. Oo. Mayroon pang isa dito. Sabihin nating nakatago lang. Anyway. Some of you, ikaw itong makakuha ng love offer na sabihin nating hindi local, no? So, what else? What else for Earth signs? You'll get a lot of attention. The Queen of Pentacles. What's with that? Somebody needs you. Somebody or marami ang nangangailangan sa'yo. The Emperor in reversed. See the Ace of Pentacles. Talaga no, nahabol no yung mga favorite nyong cards, no. May energy rito patungkol sa, sabihin nating, a new beginning, changes pagdating sa finances nyo in general. This is like sunrise. Oo, parang ganun yung energy. Okay, may humabol pang isa, oh. Player naman. You avoid them. Yes, you'll avoid this. Okay. Ano pang meron dito sa Emperor in Reversed? Yeah, Justice. Okay. So, nagiging, yeah. This is toxic, ha? Hindi mo kailangan, sinasabi dito, pinapakita na naman dito na ikaw na naman yung taya sa lahat-lahat. Ha? Hindi ka nagiging fair. Iniisip mo, fair ka? No. Hindi ka fair sa sarili mo. Okay? Sa kanila, siguro fair ka, pero sa sarili mo, hindi. Okay? Some of you, nakakuha ko na energy dito about legal matter. Meron ako nakukuha energy na somebody na pwedeng namayapa na, no? May nakukuha kong about finances or about pera na pwedeng makukuha mo. Claims, I guess. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.